Hey everyone, welcome back to Winter's Model Farms, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video on the 7290R with two forage wagons. Before we get into the box, first let's look at the pictures on the box. Right here you can see a 7290R at nighttime with its lights on. Here on the back you got a fairly big picture. I mean, half of it's sky, but that's still cool. And you can see my cut cornfield 7290R, and as well on this side of the box you have a 7290R there too. And all these are singles in front and duals in back, just like our toy. And so, come over here, open it up. Just looks like I've got some tape here to take off. I'm not really worried about this yellow box here, inner box. The rest of it just coming from the back, I guess. We're almost there. Tractor. Forage wagon number 1. Forage wagon number 2. Alright, now since we have these unboxed, we're going to take a closer look into these. Alright, so this 7290R, you might be thinking that, oh, Ertl's already made one of those. And I mean, you're not completely wrong there. They have made a 7290R before, and that was actually this one right here. And it was a 2015 farm show. We have done a video on this, so you can check that out after you watch this video. And so it's not the same toy. It is the same number, different casting. This is a dusty version right here. But this 7280R that they've made before, it's pretty much the same toy, just different tires. Got duals on this 7290R, but this 7280 just has singles. But besides that, they're pretty similar. Nothing really special on the tractor. I mean, it's pretty typical Ertl tractor. So these forage wagons, so I'm be really excited about. Before we actually look at them, I want to show you, these are two like minis that we have, and you might be thinking, I've never seen anything like that. And that's actually because I took the screws out that keeps the top on these, and I switched them. So originally it was the gray on the red and the yellow on the green, and so this would be like a John Deere one, and this would be like a Case or New Holland or another brand. But that's just what we first started out with. And then more recent years we got this one right here, is a New Holland branded, and which whenever we got it, was like, oh, this is a good upgrade. And top does come off this one, but whenever we saw that Ertl was going to make these, we got really excited because they're way bigger than these other ones. Which these other ones, the minis are probably just not to scale ones, and the New Holland one is just a small one. But these are the exact same. Top comes off. That's like a corrugated top, and it's very nice casting. They really didn't cut out on any of the details. Tandem axle. So none of our other ones have been tandem axle. Even a little detail there for unloading the wagon. It does pivot a little bit there for turning. But just give you a little preview of what it'd look like hooked up to a chopper. So here's a John Deere 8600 here. We'll probably do a video on this pretty soon, and it would be somewhat look like this, you know, pulling behind it. And so that's our newer John Deere one that we have. We actually also have this 7780 here, which is a bit older, but it actually has duals on it. But pretty nice. Or we could go with the tractor pulling both, because these do actually hook up with a hitch. They both have a hitch on them. You could maybe be cutting like this right here. Be up a little bit actually. I don't know if you can see that in the frame, but something like that. You know, that's pretty much all for this video. And if you liked it, please hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. We're really trying to up our subscriber count. And thanks for watching.